And in this section, I am going to discuss some of the important commissions which are asked in the exams. So these are the important commissions which are asked in the previous year's question, and they are totally based in the MCQ form. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start the video. Identified 450 backward classes and recommended 27% in academic institution and job. So you have to name the commission. It's Mandal Commission. Remember, Mandal Commission was led by Janata Party. Okay, and it was headed by BP Mandal. BP Mandal. That's why we called it as Mandal Commission. And what was the objective of this commission is to identify education backward classes to consider question of recreation, reservation and quotas, okay, for the student. We have Kapoor Commission. Okay, it was led by to conspire into the Mahatma Gandhi assassination case. We have Kotahari Commission. It was again based on the education sector, but it is for the recommendation of the education sector. What are the disadvantages? What are the difficulties we face in the education sector? Okay, and this Kotahari Commission is also known as National Education Commission. National Education Commission. Commission is for probe of Godhra train burning incident. The commission is Nanavati Shah Commission, headed by KG Shah, and this incident took place in the year 2002. Okay, and the train which in which the incident took place was Sabarmati Express. Sabarmati Express, and this commission was to probe the train burning which took place. And another commission is known as Nanavati Commission. Please don't confuse between these two commissions. The Nanavati Commission is totally based on the 1984 anti-Sikh riot. Okay, 1984 anti-Sikh riot took place. This commission was led, and the idea is to probe the Sikh rights. I have already told you about the Kothari Commission. Commission is to look into the issue of the linguistic and religious minorities. What are minorities? Except Hindus. Except Hindus, all other are considered as minorities. Okay. And linguistic means language based on the language. So this commission is based on the language and religion of minorities. Okay. It preserves the religion and languages of the minorities. Led by Ranganath Mishra. And this commission is also known as the Ranganath Mishra Commission. And who was Ranganath Mishra? He was the 21st CJI. Okay, and he was the 21st CJI. Also, he was the first chairman of National Human Rights Commission. National Human Rights Commission, the current chairman is Justice H.L. Zattu. The retired CJI will become the chairman, and it was formed in the year 1993 to protect the human right. Liberian Commission was the demolition of Babri Masjid demolition case, and this Liberian Commission was being formed. Commission role in the setting of the National Judicial Commission for appointment of judges. Basically, for the judicial servant, their appointment, this commission was formed. Is National Commission review of working of Constitution. This commission also play a role in the election of the Prime Minister. State Recognition Commission consists of whom? Faisal Ali, K.M. Panikkar and H.N. Hunzu. Answer is all of the above. Remember, Faisal Ali was the first judge who retired from the Supreme Court, and all three of them took part in the State Recognition Commission of the country. Kapoor Commission play a very important role in the Mahatma Gandhi assassination case. Commission based on the police reform and changes in the police policy, administration and law and order. So this commission play a role in the police reformations, and it is solely Sorabji Commission SS. And remember, K.K. Venugopal is the current Attorney General of India. Attorney General of India is the top law officer of the country, and Solicitor General of India is the second top law officer of the country. Okay, Punchi Commission is led by Madan Mohan Punchi. Okay, he was not Madan Mohan Malvi. There are difference between Madan Mohan Punchi and Malvi. Working a group of the role of the Union and State based on the With Commission. So you have to name the commission. The role of the Union and State dependency. Okay. So the commission name is Sarkariya Commission. Remember the word Sarkar. In Hindi we call government as Sarkar. Okay. So remember from it. It is a clue to remember this commission. Okay. So Sarkariya Commission. Malimat Commission is a commission which is based on the criminal justice system, chaired by V.S. Malimat. Commission established for the inquiry into the Tehelka tape scandal. So you have to name the commission is Fukan Commission. Okay. Commission to investigate and probe into the death of Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, the two commissions are there. Is one is Mukherjee Commission and one other is Khosla Commission. So the correct answer is both B and C. First Administrative Reform Commission was headed by the former minister. His was Morarji Desai, but you have to name the year. It was from 1966 to 1967. And the second commission, second Administrative Reform Commission was headed by Veerappa Moile from 2005 to 2008. Commission was totally based on the education reform. I have earlier told you that this education sector and is to investigate into that demand is Kotahari Commission, and the Kotahari Commission is also known as National Education Commission. Okay, National Education Commission, and all aspect of the education sector are under this commission. It was headed by Daulat Kotahari, who was the chairman of UGC. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and make best use of this video. Okay.